Ready to discover a whole new world of amazing mobile games you might have missed? Welcome to your ultimate guide to TapTap, the platform that's revolutionizing how we discover and play mobile games. First things first, what exactly is TapTap? TapTap is essentially a global app store focused on mobile games, a place where you can find games that might not be available in your usual app store, especially those from international developers. Think of it as a gateway to a diverse library of titles. Let's get started by showing you how to find a game. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to type in the game's name. Once you've found what you are looking for, tap on the game you want to know more about. You'll see game details, the game's name, its description, size, and user reviews. If you like it, download by tapping the download button. TapTap will then start the download process. Give it some time because the game might be big. After the download finishes, tap to start the installation. Once it's installed, you're ready to play. It's that easy. TapTap also provides a player community. Discover the latest news, chat with other players, and find tips, tricks, and walkthroughs for your favorite games in the forums. Now you're ready to explore the vast world of mobile gaming through TapTap, so get out there and start playing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mobile gaming tutorials. #TapTapGuide, #AppTutorial.